John Mundorf talks about how his thinking on assessment has changed since he learned about UDL.
Pre-UDL, and it could have just been early on in my teaching career, but it also could just be pre-UDL, is I found myself, I would teach math, and I'd teach page 10 in the math book, and then the next day I'd teach page 11 in the math book, and I'd teach page 12 in the math book. Not because it's what was needed or because what the students, but it's what was the next page. And so then when it came time to the assessment, I just would go to the end of the chapter and they had their little test and I'd copy that and give it to everybody else. And so it was a very one-size-fits-all setup. And students need to learn how to take paper pencil tests. It's an important part of schooling in the 21st century, and yeah, sure there are flaws in it, but it's also, those are skill sets that kids need to have. But then at the same time, that can't be the only way that we're assessing them. In the same way that we don't want to present material in only one way, we have to make sure that we assess kids in a variety of different ways. Because if that paper and pencil test isn't optimal for the student, they could have an entire year of failure, 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 failure. And it's not that we want, every student to get a trophy or every student to walk out with straight A's if that's not what they're deserving, but it has to be based on what are our standards, what are our goals here, and then if the goal is for a student to be able to, let's say, describe the scientific method, giving them a piece of paper and saying write down the steps of the scientific method could be one option for assessment, but it shouldn't be the only option for assessment.